Hi, my name is Braxton Lehman, and I'm going to talk to you about my collage. I would value teamwork most in a workplace. I have been involved in sports since I was 3 years old. I have learned over the years that I enjoy working with a team instead of by myself. Let me tell you about three of my strengths. I'm very competitive, I'm funny, and curious about life. I acquired being competitive because it was passed down to me from a long line of athletes. I'm funny because I say random things about random stuff and people laugh. I am curious because I want to learn things and know things. My workplace behavior style is influence. I would be the communication specialist. I'm the encourager, the one that keeps everyone going. My three letters are ERS, enterprising, realistic, and social. The three career choices I would choose would be cashier, fitness and wellness coordinator, and flight attendant. I would want to be a cashier because it is a great beginner job to gain some experience. I would want to be a fitness and wellness coordinator because I like to exercise and want to help people stay in shape. I would also want to be a flight attendant because I would like to travel around the world.